lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video we are going to make a hair growth oil for dandruff, alopecia, and also for length retention. Yes, and we are going to need neem leaves. Yes, neem leaves is very good for oil, for hair growth, and the oil has regenerative properties that support healthy cells division and stimulate hair follicles growth and functions. It also helps in countering hair thinning caused by a pollution, stressing, or medication. Therefore, regular application of neem oil promotes thicker, stronger, and more luxurious hair growth. Now, before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Now, I'm going to start out by getting them. I'm going to wash them first. So I'm going to have all this into my water here to be washed. Yeah, I'm going to wash them all. That's so simple, so easy to do. So as you can see, I am done washing off my neem leaves. So I'm going to transfer them into the strainer for it to dry very well, or for a little bit drying. Then I will process to make the oil. Initially I washed it first, so this is my second time of washing it. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to allow it to strain that very well, then I'll proceed to use it for the oil. So guys, as you can see, it's partially dry, so I'm going to start out by adding all into my frying pan. And I'm going ahead to add my coconut oil. Yes, that's my coconut oil that it also helps in retaining length and moisturize your scalp for more hair growth. So I'm going to add this up. All right. So the next step is have it on fire on low heat. Now that's how the frying is doing like this. So I'm going to allow it for more time to fry over my now that's how it's doing like. So guys, that's how our frying neem leaves looks like. It's because all of the nutrients has been taken into the oil. It feels crunchy, yes. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for some few minutes, then I'll transfer the oil into a container, or I'll strain it out. So guys, I've allowed it to cool down for a while, so I'm going ahead to transfer my oil, or let's say strain it. So guys, those are neem oil. Have you realized something? We used a lot of coconut oil to do it, but that's the exact one that we've gotten out of it. So maybe next time when you're doing it, you try to use most or much of the coconut oil. You apply this to your hair. You can add it to your shampoo or your conditioner. After some few minutes, let's say 30 to 45 minutes, then you rinse it off with warm water, or maybe you can also apply it alone onto your scalp, wrap it around with a warm towel. You leave it overnight. You wash it the next day. All right, thanks for watching.